Hello guys and welcome to SpyFX,
and I'm going to be helping you guys through your forex trading course from scratch, guys. So this course is divided into two languages, Shona version and English version. So today we'll be using the Shona version, guys. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's start, guys. So guys, chekutanga, we have our checklist, guys. Our checklist. Checklist ndo zvinhu zvatiri kuti zvaunoda kuti utange kuita forex trading, guys. So chekutanga, you must have a Google account. Pabate ipapa a Google account or a email. Ndo yadichiti Google account. Chechitatu, you must have a valid national ID, and obviously a stable internet connection. So guys, so guys, that was step 1. Then step 2, guys, mukatarisa pascreen pangu pane ma-applications andangosarudza atiri kufanira kudhila nawo, guys. So gmail yedu inenge iri linked to our email, and then we have Chrome, or we can use any other browser, guys. Then we have MetaTrader 5, guys. So kana usina MetaTrader 5, guys, just go to Play Store and search for this app, guys. Yatoti MetaTrader 5 ndo application rochange uchishandisa futi kutrade richange richidiwa. So just type in MetaTrader 5, guys, irapa and install that application. So inini I already have the application installed in my phone, so there's no need to download it, but you have to download this application. So to end up a home screen pedu, right? So to create a chekutanga, you have to create a forex trading account, guys. And how do you do that? Use the provided links, guys, because ukashandisa any other link, you're going to create an account using some fake brokers, guys, and you end up losing your money, guys, of which you don't want that to happen. So use the provided links, guys. So if you don't have the link, you can contact the link in the description or the link report this video, a text, the link click to create a forex trading account. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's start creating our forex trading account. So warimo group where you can click the link ratasenda iri ndo link ratirikutaura nezvaro. So what you have to do is just click the link. So the link will lead you to your browser, guys. Richakonesa kubrowser, or you can copy and paste the link to your browser, guys. Don't just use any other link usingaziwe. Just click the link in the description, then the link will lead you to this page, guys. So we have the page ratakatasana naro rakanzi Deriv. So what is Deriv, guys? Deriv ndo company yedu yatinenge tichishandisa kutrade. Like Deriv, you will be acting as a bank, ndo richange richiacta sebank redu, rinenge richiholda mari yedu, ratiri richidepositira mari yedu nekuwithdrawira mari yedu. So rinenge richinzi Deriv. So how do you create your forex trading account? Can you click a link here in the description? You will lead to this page. Then you click on demo account, open demo account. So to click upon open demo account. So as you can see, guys, join over 2.5 million traders, guys. Wanoshansa this broker, guys. So you can also use this link. So email, enter your email, guys. So I'm going to type in my email, guys. After typing in my email, guys, then I click I agree to terms and conditions. Then we click it up. Then I click. Then we create demo account, guys. As you can see, so panzi check your email. We have sent a message to @gmail.com with a link to activate your account. So what you have to do now is go to your Gmail, guys. So ndakwenda ku Gmail kwangu, as you can see, guys. So as you can see, guys, Deriv yabantumira an email, guys. So let's open the email. So as you can see, guys, the email runs here. You are nearly there. Thank you for creating an account with us. To complete your sign up, please verify your email. So guys, now verify email yangu, guys. Verify my email, or you can copy this link and paste it to your browser, guys. So hanzi country of residence guys. So inini I'm a Zimbabwean guys. So I'm going to put my country iwewe wesochi your country of residence as it is on your national ID guys. So I put Zimbabwe guys. This is Zimbabwe. Then citizenship guys. It's a citizenship yako. I'm also a Zimbabwean. Citizenship. Then pan citizenship. Select Zimbabwe. Then you click next guys. So once keep your account secure with the password. So inoenda kuisa password yangu guys. You need a password yako unozota usokangana. So for the sake of the video guys, I'm going to cover my password here for privacy. Start trading guys. So as you can see guys, demo. We now have our demo account guys. So what is a demo account? A demo account is a forex trading account with the fake money guys. Like as you can see, money $10,000 for just practicing guys. So nishasa $10,000 to practice a trader guys. This is a demo account as you can see. This is a demo account. So guys, we now want to create a real trading account guys. Remember this is a demo. So how do you create a real trading account guys? So this is how you create a real trading account. Nobaya pakanzi demo papanika arrow karipo. So as you can see, na click pakanzi demo pabuda pakanzi demo ne pakanzi real. So you switch to real guys. Like what I've done. After clicking pakanzi real guys, you click on CFDs panap. As you can see, so pane pakanzi options and multipliers here, then CFDs dopo switcher. So after clicking on CFDs guys, then click on get a deriv account. So guys, here we are going to step 1 out of step 4. So step 1, select a currency yauchange uchishandisa kuti unoda receive mari yako in which currency. So tine euros, pounds, Australian dollar, but isusu we use US dollars, we are Zimbabweans. Unless you can select euros, I'm going to know so none. So you select US dollar, then click next. So guys, touch up at this step guys. What do you do on this step? Probably your type of document, pani national ID. So I click on national ID, then enter your document number, national ID number. So I'm now pasting my national ID guys. So as you can see, any space. As you can see, I've pasted my national ID. Right. So guys, enter your first name guys as it is on your ID. First name. I'm now entering my first name. And the last name guys, enter your last name. Pakanzi last name. So guys, unofanisa ma details sezva ari pachitupa. Then date of birth, enter your date of birth here. So guys, as you can see, I've entered my date of birth. Then click pakanzi confirm. Then phone number. Enter your phone number. Then birthplace guys, enter your birthplace. So you choose country yakazvarirwa guys. So Zimbabwe, that's my birthplace. Then text the residence guys. Isusu hatina. So text the identification number. Ndina so ndukusiya pari blank. So account opening reason guys, pakanzi account opening reason, choose pakanzi hedging. Right, then click on next. We are now on page 3 out of page 4 guys. So first line of address. So guys, zvinoitika ndezvekuti first line of address isa address yako, because uchazobvunzwa document rine same details nezvaunongoisa paadress, but don't worry guys, paadress unogona kusiya pakadaro for the meantime, but inini ndakuisa address yangu, then uchi submit the document later andazoribvunzwa guys. So don't try to use fake addresses guys, because your account will get banned. If you use a fake address and you upload an edited document, your account will get banned guys. So first line of address, so that's my first line of address. Then zip code guys, zip code, okay, I've skipped this part but don't worry. Zip code chungoisa kana mazero ari 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. State of province guys, Harare. You want to state of province yauri yo city Harare again. Harare. Usazoise uchitedzera zvangu, isa ma details ako. Then you click on next. Pane ma terms and use. So kana any time you can read my terms and use, but as you can see pane pakanyorwa zve risky warning guys, like any other business. Forex also includes losses guys. So kana uzwa kuti kutya kuluza mari usingaite malosi guys, you can close this video usati apa to create account, because in trading you make profits and loss also. Then panapa, so panapa pabvunzwa you a US citizenship law fuji yoita no selector no. Then panapa pakabvunzwa zvema political exposed person, hanza you a political exposed person, iyochi unoclick at I'm not, then agree to terms and conditions. Then kana watika pese pari 2, then answer yako panapa make sure isa no, then uclick pakanzi add account. Your account is ready guys, so congratulations guys, you are now a trader, your account create. So takumirira kuti account yedu verify guys, so we click pakanzi maybe later because you don't want to deposit now. So pending action required, proof of address required. So isusu we are waiting for our ID to be verified first guys. So tombopinda mu email medu toona kuti munei. As you can see guys, congratulations, your ID has been verified guys, your identity is verified, as you can see guys. So we now have our real trading account, as you can see. So as you can see guys, this is now our real account with the $00 balance. So guys, let's see if our profile has been verified for sure. Then proof of identity, let's see. ID verification passed guys, so our account is fully verified, although we are only left with the proof of residence to be verified. So guys, this is how you create your real forex trading account. So guys, remember to use the links that I've used guys. As you can see, this is a real account, fully verified guys. So if you use any other links guys, you are going to be in trouble. So guys, the next video will be on how you link your real forex trading account guys to MetaTrader, to this app. So you'll be now linking your forex trading account to MetaTrader 5. So watch the next video on how to link those accounts and how you make deposits guys. So thank you guys, this is your boy SpyFX signing out.